That's your Christmas number 2.
Okay. Good job.
Pull that paper.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yes! Yay! Look at that one.
You know,
Is that yellow?
you like in there? Maybe we should have brought that out last.
Like what?
It's your tree.
Monster.
Thatcher, do you want to open some of the gold presents from Fufu? Want to open some presents from Fufu? Yeah.
What is that, buddy?
Is that a Little People Zoo? The Little People Zoo. Daddy's gonna have to put that together.
The Little People Animal Sounds Zoo.
Was it on your toe? Got on your toe.
Good job,
Another
Thatcher.
little one right there.
Look at toe.
Oh, have him shake that one.
A truck? Mm-hmm.
Please, truck.
Okay.
Get it.
Maybe Can Daddy open
Daddy, do
it?
it. Get the other one in red. Tell him to shake it.
Right next to
Right next to you. Mom, right next to you. Tell him to shake it. Thatcher, can you shake it?
Oh!
What is that?
Car?
Car. Can you open it?
Police car.
Whoa, Thatcher.
Who's that? Is that Lightning McQueen?
Lightning McQueen.
Yay!
Oh, is it where? Yay!
Good job.